Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. If a website tells you to press the Windows key and R, paste something and press enter, close the page immediately. Do not test it, do not try to see what happens, and do not assume it is safe because the page looks like Chrome, Edge, Firefox or Brave. This is a fake browser update scam designed to make you infect your own computer, and in this video I will show you exactly how the trick works, the warning signs that expose it, and what to do if you have already pressed enter. Why this scam is so dangerous. Most people expect malware to install when they click a bad download. This scam works differently. The website convinces you to install the malware yourself. It may pretend that your browser is outdated, it may claim a video cannot play, or it may show you a fake CAPTCHA asking you to prove you're human. The page then gives you a few simple keyboard instructions. Because you are the person following those instructions, everything can look normal until it's too late. And in a moment I will show you the single biggest warning sign that exposes almost every version of this scam. The hidden clipboard trick. Here's what may happen behind the scenes. You click a fake update or verification button. The website secretly places a command onto your clipboard. It then tells you to press Windows key and R. That opens the run box, and next it tells you to paste. And finally it tells you to press enter. You may never properly see what was copied, but when you press enter, Windows follows the attacker's instructions. The website is not fixing your browser, you are launching the attack. This is the part most victims do not realize until after they have done it. What one command can steal? That single command may download malware from a criminal-controlled server. The malware could target saved browser passwords. It may steal active login sessions. That matters because a stolen session may let a criminal access an account without entering your password again. It could also target your email, banking details, cryptocurrency wallets, personal files, and other information stored on the computer. Some attacks may even install remote access malware, allowing someone to control the device. This is why simply changing one password may not solve the problem. Your email account, active sessions, and the computer itself may all need to be secured. Okay, so the warning sign that exposes it. Here is the rule that can protect you from almost every version of this scam. A normal website should never ask you to open Windows Run, PowerShell, Command Prompt, or Terminal. It should never ask you to paste a command you did not write. And completing a CAPTCHA should never require keyboard shortcuts and a command window. You do not need to understand the code, you only need to recognize the behavior. Website plus command equals stop. If practical warnings like this help you avoid scams before they cause damage, please subscribe to Safe Web Life. This channel is about showing you exactly what to look for and exactly what to do next. How to update your browser safely. A real browser update does not require a mystery command. If you see an update warning on a web page, close the tab. Then open your browser's own menu, look for the Help, About or Update section. Chrome, Edge, Firefox and Brave can check for updates from inside the browser. You can also download a browser directly from its official website. Do not install updates from random pop-ups, advertisement, unexpected emails or pages that pressure you to act immediately. The safe rule is simple. Update the browser from inside the browser. If you close the page in time, seeing the fake page does not mean your computer is infected. If you did not paste and execute the command, you probably stopped the attack before its most dangerous stage. Close the suspicious tab. If the page copied something to your clipboard, replace it with harmless text. So just open a text editor, type something simple such as clipboard cleared, then copy those words. Do not return to the suspicious site to investigate it, and do not paste the unknown content somewhere just to see what it was. You have avoided the trap, and keep it that way. If you pasted the command and pressed enter, treat the computer as potentially compromised. First, you want to disconnect it from the internet, turn off Wi-Fi and unplug the Ethernet cable. If it's a work computer, contact your IT or security team immediately. Do not use the suspicious computer to change passwords. You want to use another trusted device. Start by securing your main email account because it can often reset your other accounts. You want to change important passwords. Sign out of active sessions where possible. Enable multi-factor authentication. Then update your security software to run a full scan. On Windows, also consider running Microsoft Defender offline. Do not use the affected computer for banking, shopping, email, or other sensitive activity until it has been properly checked. The scam can target any computer. This is not only a Windows problem. Windows users may be told to open Run or PowerShell. Mac and Linux users may be told to open Terminal. The buttons and instructions may change, but the trick stays the same. An unexpected website is trying to convince you to execute a command. Never paste an unknown command into any computer because a web page told you to, even if the page looks professional, even when it uses the correct browser logo, and especially when it creates panic or urgency. Remember this one sentence: a browser update should never require you to paste a command into your computer. Close the page and always update through the browser's own menu. And if you already executed the command, disconnect the device and secure your accounts from another trusted computer or phone. Please send this video to one person who might trust a convincing update warning. It could stop them from handing their passwords and accounts directly to a criminal. Don't forget to subscribe to Safe Web Life because the next scam will look slightly different, but the warning signs will always give it away.